This right here is building 4 in Residencial Pinos de Sosúa. Let me just show you what the area looks like to give you an idea, because most of the people don't even know it exists. It's super quiet. It's a minute drive to our office. That also means to the supermarket Sirena. It's really nice here. We've got these 6 townhomes with a shared pool. The HOA fees are $100. Then we've got these condos. Shortly, later this year, there's gonna be a gate over here. And now let me show you the property. The price, super good. It's not really a townhouse because it's not connected, so we could even call it a detached home or a villa here in the Dominican Republic. But we've got 3 bedrooms. We've got 2.5 bathrooms. We've got a nice outdoor area as well. This right here is shared. And here we are inside. It's still being tidied up because the current owners are moving out, but we've got a full kitchen. All the furniture stays. They will just take their personal items. Here we've got the half bath and storage. Super simple. Now, the reclining couch and sofa stays. And let me show you this because that's pretty special. Hello, Azul. This right here goes all the way around. A lot of extra space. Some of it is roofed. Here we've got the laundry area, which you could also turn into, I don't know, a workshop, even an office or a little gym area, whatever you desire here in the Dominican Republic. Now I will just need to fight with Azul so that she doesn't get in. 2 years old puppy. Well, that's what it is. All right, I won. Now let's go upstairs because that's the most important part. One thing I mentioned is the HOA fees. The HOA fees are $100. It covers maintenance of the outdoor areas, the pool, and water. So all you need to pay is electricity. We've got AC units in every single room, which is nice to have. We've got also a lot of exterior space. And let me tell you 2 things here. Number 1, this is Residencial Española. Probably the best neighbor you could have. It's really quiet. And number 2, this balcony here, it was never finished because they didn't use it, but they will put railings up here. Now, let me show you the main bathroom. And it's surprising. So get ready. Here, simple shower, and look at this. Pretty cool. All right, and this bathroom is shared here with the primary as well as the other bedroom. Pretty big. And this one has a really nice feature. And that's this large outdoor space. And let me tell you some of the images of sunset skies, because this is direct west. Some of the images that they showed me, wow. This is a beautiful additional outdoor space. We also got the blinds here, mosquito nets in all the windows so that you can keep it open, keep your electricity bill lower. Now there are only few things missing. The 3rd bedroom, it's a small room, but what they did, and that's pretty smart, they took this balcony because it was covered and turned it into an extra space. So you could make a little tiny office here. Works just fine for what it is, especially for guests, because it has its own bathroom. And now the final piece. Let me show you a bonus. The access is here. It's not, I would say, final, but look at this. I'm here on the roof. it's not ready for anything yet. You can still be here. You can see Puerto Plata. You can see a little bit of the ocean, especially over there. But what you can do is put a pergola here if you want additional outdoor space, or simply take your chair like the neighbors and enjoy the sunsets here, because this right here is where the sun sets. So for this price, I know the market a little bit and the price is ridiculously good. So I highly recommend, if you're considering a property here that's 3 bedrooms, walking distance to everything, potentially ocean views, to grab this one. Good luck.